to my channel. In today's video, let me move this over here. Sorry, we're having some technical difficulties. Hey, I'm sick of you. Hey, my honey drops, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my own nails at home. Now, I know my nails are not done right now, but when I filmed this video a couple of weeks ago, I did not film an intro, I did not film an outro. So here I am filming that video, or that intro and that outro. If you have been following me, you know I'm a DIY person. I try to do whatever I can by myself before I have to go out and spend money. I do my own hair, do my own waxing. Now I'm doing my own nails, do my own lashes, all that good stuff. So we're gonna add that to the list. I wanted to get this video up before Prime Day in case you guys were interested in the items that you can get them while, for a deal, but I just did not find the time to edit that video. But I will still leave my storefront, at least the link to the nail section of my storefront, in the description box below in case you guys want to try out I never really push my Amazon storefront. I never do. It's there and it's available if you ever want to check it out, but it don't matter to me. If you buy the products in my list or you find them elsewhere, it doesn't matter. I just want you guys to have the resources and references available for you. I've been doing my own nails for like the last year. Now, I bought my items last year on Prime Day. I still have other products. I haven't repurchased anything yet, but also keep in mind, I only do my nails maybe once a month, once every 2 months, whenever I feel like it really. I did my nails 2 weeks ago. I'm going to do them again tonight. And actually, if I decide to do them tonight, if I have the time to do them tonight, I will come back in the next clip and you'll see them done. Okay, so if the clip was there, then I got them done. But if it wasn't, then next time, shouty. So I'm going to just walk you guys through how I do my nails. Please advise, I am not a professional. I did not go to cosmetology school or any of those things to know the proper technique of gel-X. Yeah, so I'm just gonna hop right into today's video. I hope you guys enjoy, and if you find it helpful, please be sure to give me a big thumbs up, comment, subscribe to my channel. It will be a voiceover talk through. So let's just get right into it. So to get started, here are my little nubs. First, I'm gonna go in with some cuticle remover to go ahead and, make it all nice and pretty. Now, I can never get it as perfect as the nail salons, but I try my best. So I go ahead and I sanitize my tools before and after every use, just because it's sitting in a bag full of other things. So I kind of like re-wipe it down. And then I just go ahead and apply the cuticle remover. You can either do this or you can just soak your fingers for, like at least 10 minutes in lukewarm water, and that will also help to soften the cuticles too. Now, I don't know all the terminology that I'm going to be using for today's video, so again, you could just follow along. I don't know if it's recommended for you to cut your cuticles. Like I said, I'm not a beautician or a cosmetologist, but I just don't like that dead skin around my nails, so I go ahead and I cut it, and I try to make it as neat as possible to prep my nails before I apply my gel-X. I always find having your cuticles clipped and all that dead skin cut, it just makes the finishing product look that much better. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue this same process for both hands. Baby, I'm just trying to let my hair down. Baby, I'm just trying to let my hair down. Everybody's watching, I'm aware now. I can find a reason I should care now. Baby, I'm just trying to let if I take all my home, you promise to stay. If I give you my heart, would you go? Now I'm going to take this tool here, and I'm going to use this to go ahead and cut that dead skin. It's just really rough around my fingers, so I absolutely adore and just love this portion when I'm going to get my nails done. When I used to get manicures, I always loved how my nails look so freaking perfect, and my fingers just look so perfect after they would do them or do this, this step. But like I said, I can never get it as good as the nail techs, but I do my best. Maybe my technique is off, or maybe my skin is not soft enough. I'm going to try that. I'm going to actually soak my nails next time rather than just applying the cuticle or taking like a nice warm bath and having my hands just sitting in the water. I think that will probably give me a better result, because I don't think I'm like soaking them long enough maybe. So I'm still left with a little bit of rough skin here and there. So let me know what you guys think. Now I'm gonna take this nail drill, and I was like, I'm official now. I got me a nail drill. Hey. Before that, I'm gonna prime my nails, and you don't have to put your hand in a UV light or under a UV lamp for this process. You just let them air dry. I still feel like they're kind of sticky a little bit, so it takes forever for them to dry, at least for me. So maybe you can like put it under a fan. I'm not sure. Anyway, but that nail drill, it does come with metal tips. Again, I'm going to leave everything in my Amazon storefront. It does come with metal tips, different head sizes, different shapes, and it also comes with the sander. I don't know if it's called a sander, but it looks like it feels like sandpaper. So I think it's the sander, and you can rechange them or change them out whenever you like it. So I have short almond nails, I have short medium tips, and I have long coffin. But because at this time I still type at my job. I just prefer not to have super long nails. I can't type like that. So I like to go for short almond or short square. If I'm ever like feeling fancy, I'll do long coffin, but it won't last that long. So at this point, all I'm doing is just sizing the nails. Sometimes you do have to file the nail down to fit your cuticle or to fit your nail bed. You don't want the nail to overlap onto your skin. You want it to be a perfect fit, otherwise they won't last long. So this drill bit, there's two different operations. I think you flip the switch one way and it rotates one way, you flip it the other way and it rotates the other way, and then it's this dial you spin and it speeds up or slows down. So I just wanted to go ahead and drill the inside of the nail so that it can adhere better. And then I'm going to use this UV lamp to help with the drying process of my gel polish. So now I'm going to use this mini UV lamp, and this is what I'm going to use prior to using the big lamp. This is more so for every single nail that I apply. I'm going to put it under this lamp, and you'll see how I do that. I'm gonna do it a single bit time, and that's part. Yeah. Oh, yeah. So now I'm going to take the nail glue. This is the Gel X glue, if you will. So it's not like that nail glue you buy in, the little press-on nail kits. So I'm going to put on these UV gloves just to protect my skin as much as I can. And I'm going to apply a thin coat of the nail gel. And I'm going to cure my hand, or cure my nails, I should say. And there's a 60 second, 30, and 15 second. I'm just going to go ahead and apply the Gel X glue to both hands prior to applying each nail to each fingernail. Stay home, waiting for love. So tonight, I'm gonna do it a single bit time. So now I'm just going to apply not too much, because I still suffer from this where I feel like I'm not putting a lot of gel, and when I go to adhere it to my nail, I get it goes from under my nail and onto my cuticles. So then I have to go then later and clip it or cut it off, and it just ends up looking really tacky. So you want to like put a thin layer on the bottom portion of the nail, and then put like a little teardrop right at the middle, and then you want to press it starting from your nail, your cuticle or whatever, and then pushing it all the way down. You'll see how I do it. So I apply a thin coat right here, and I'm going to apply a little bit more right at the center, like right there. And then I'm going to just apply it from tip all the way, and you don't want to get any bubbles. If you get any bubbles in that, don't even secure it, because it's just going to end up popping off. It's not going to last long. This is how it looks, and I don't know if you can tell, but like there was some glue that squeezed out from the bottom, and that's what I'm doing right here, is clipping that off. So I hate when that happens. I try not to use a lot, but if I use too little, then it won't be enough glue for it to stick. But I try not to use too much so that it's not, all wonky looking. So these are how the nails look after I've applied them. They are very secure, like so secure. My nails last at least 2 weeks before I pop them off. And when I pop them off, baby, my nails are not jacked up. That's what I love about Gel X nails. So I order a set of files and I'm now just going to shape them. Now I like to start my shaping all the way down if I can, because I want it to be shaped like so straight on the sides. That's how I like it. So yeah, I'm just shaping my nails to my desired length and my shape. I want to keep the tips a little, not too rounded, more like pointy rounded, like not too stiletto point and not too rounded, kind of like that in between. So I'm just going to go ahead and file all my nails to my desired shape. So this is how the nails look after I've shaped them, and now I'm going to go ahead and drill the surface of the nails. And I have it on the lowest speed, but that's still fast enough. And all I'm doing is just drilling the surface of the nails, and this is going to, I believe it's going to help the gel polish to adhere and stick to the nail better. So I'm just going to go ahead and do this to every single nail. And I do wear a mask. I do suggest you wear a mask. You don't want to be inhaling all of this stuff. So just please make sure to wear a mask. This is how my nails look after I've drilled them. I feel like my drilling can still be worked on. Like I still consider myself a beginner. I know I've been doing my nails for a year, but I still consider myself a beginner because I still have work to do. So I absolutely love this polish, this gel set. I ordered on Amazon. Of course, everything I got on Amazon. Who am I kidding? But I also bought these sheer polishes that are from Beetles. They're a very popular brand on Amazon, and I just want to show you how they look in case you were curious. They're sheer. They can be sheer, but they also can be very opaque if you want them to be. Actually, the polish that I showed you guys, the new set that I did in my nails, the pink nails that I showed you guys earlier, that's from that same set, the little sheer set. Now this polish here, I love nude polishes. I really, really love just, neutral colors. So what I like about this polish is you don't even have to perfect your strokes. I'm trying to see how I can explain this. This polish, after you've applied it, it's going to set in a way where it's going to make your whole entire nail look like an even coat of polish. And what I mean by that is if you were to polish your nail, and let's say there was a streak and you missed that spot. I don't know how, but after the nail dries, it all balances out. Like it moves in a way. I cannot ever explain it, but it basically covers the whole nail evenly. So if I have some glue that came up under my nail and I did not clip it off, it's even going to go into that. I don't know how to explain it, and I hope that makes sense. But that's what this nail does. So I definitely want to order more from them. I just wanted to try some neutral colors. I actually want to try this polish to see, do I like this polish? Do I want to buy more from their brand? And I definitely do. I highly recommend Beetles, and I think this brand is good. I don't know, but it'll be down below. I love this polish. I reach for this set more than my other sets, and they're very rich and opaque, and a little goes a long way with that polish. I only applied 2 coats and a clear top base, but I will say you would at least need 2 coats. You definitely don't need 3 coats for sure. Now, I was going to be just done with this, and I grabbed some top this top coat from this set. It comes with a base coat, a gloss coat, and a top coat. I don't use the base coat unless I'm doing a manicure with no fake nails. It just doesn't make a difference to me. My nail color doesn't chip at all when I don't use it. But my cousin sent me these rhinestones, and I was like, I want to try them. So I would skip this. If not saying you can't do it, just don't do it the way I did it, because for one, those rhinestones were attaching to everything. So when I would grab something, the rhinestones would snag at it. I didn't even notice until like 3 days later that half of them were gone. So I don't know the technique. I don't know if they use glue. They probably use glue. I don't know what the nail techs use, because clearly I would go to the nail salon and get rhinestones and they would not be chipping off left and right. But I think it's because I used the top gel. Maybe I should have used the nail glue that came with this set and then use it to apply that and then apply the top coat. I think it would have adhered better. But the catching and the snagging and everything is what I didn't like. So I want to try something different. I'm like, I'm not doing designs yet, but at least me do a little rhinestone, They look alright, from a distance. But yeah, I tried to do a little something, and it just did not last, baby. After that, I applied the alcohol pads, and it, it's like the last finishing step. And then I applied my cuticle oil to make them look all nice and glossy and pretty or whatever. And y'all, that's how I did my nails. That's how I do my nails. I save so much money this way. I ain't gonna hold you. I still go to the nail salon to get my toes done, because these feet don't stand a match for me, okay? The nail techs take care of me real good, real good. So that's how I do my nails. I'm a beginner. I'm still learning. If you want to do your nails, I highly recommend you go for it. You'll save so much more money. I'm sorry I couldn't get this up before Prime Day, but I still hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will be back in just a very short moment to go ahead and end this video out. All right, y'all. So that was me doing my nails at home. But I absolutely love doing my own nails at home. It's actually very relaxing. I love to do my nails. I know it might take before it took me 2.5 hours. Now it takes me like an hour, maybe an hour and a half at the most, because I don't do anything. I just polish them. That's it. I really just enjoy the process. It's very relaxing. I'm in my own home. I'm not paying anybody for anything. That's all that I have for you guys today. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please be sure to give me a big thumbs up, comment, subscribe to my channel. Be sure to follow my other socials. I am active on Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. I have actually been more active on Pinterest in the last couple of weeks, and my monthly views went from 100, because I was never really on there, over 2,000 in a week span. So if you are a content creator, I would definitely take advantage of being on Pinterest. I'm always on Pinterest looking for inspo, workouts, fashion, recipes, everything. So get on Pinterest and take advantage of it. It is such a great source to elevate your social platforms. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I would look forward to seeing you in my next one. So come back. I'll be waiting for you. You make sure you make it back here, okay? Yeah. I would like to see you. Again, subscribe, of course. You can like and comment and engage with me. I would really, really like that. So I don't think it would be so harmless if you could just subscribe. It's totally free. Be a part of the Honey Do Up squad and come over here and join me, and we can hang out. So I'll see y'all later, right? Because you're gonna come back. So it's not goodbye. It's see you later. So anyways, peace. 2 fingers.
Wondering what's on your mind. If you like the simple type, I ain't stupid, dumb, or blind. I'm sleepy, a bit of a last. Heard you met her in the club, trying to tell me you were drunk. I can still smell perfume. Nigga,